Audio Jungle. This is High Tech News TV News. Kottankulathur SRM Institute of Science and Technology celebrated their 21st convocation. Professor Bharat Bhaskar, Director, Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, was conferred the prestigious degree of Doctor of Science. During this convocation, 15,105 degrees were awarded. Graduates who have completed their doctorate, undergraduate and postgraduate degree and diploma programs under the Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Science and Humanities, Medicine and Health Sciences, Management, Law and Agriculture Sciences were awarded their degree. Sri Nitin Jairam Gadkari, Honorable Minister of Road Transport, Ahmedabad Highways, Government of India, attended the event as chief guest who delivered the convocation address. Dr. T.R. Parivender, founder and Chancellor of SRM Institute of Science and Technology, presided over the convocation. The annual report of the institution was presented by Professor Sri Muthamil Selvan, Vice Chancellor SRM.